I know what it's like to have depression, and putting on makeup, it's just not going to happen 99% of the time. I wanted to make this video because I want you to see real behind the scenes of what it looks like when you're filming beauty content, but you have depression. And my depression is definitely flared up today. It's raining. I have depression, I have anxiety, I have seasonal affective disorder. So it's really front and center right now. I wanted to kind of talk to you all about my feelings about makeup. I always have my makeup kit with me. It just goes with me when I leave the house. If I need to do it, if I'm going somewhere and I need to pop in, I need to do something, and all of a sudden I get a burst of energy and I feel like putting something on, it's there, I have it. You know, everyone is different. Depression is, it's really a beast. It is, everyone deals with it differently, and trying to feel like what I'll call, you know, fitting in or among the living sometimes is really hard. And I guess if I put a little bit of effort into my makeup, maybe it psychologically makes me feel like I am not as bad off as I may feel. I have a makeup kit that I carry with me, and I'm gonna talk you through a day for me. I'll show you my bare minimum. This is what I cleanse with. If I feel like it, I will use this in the morning. If I remember, if I'm in my seasonal affective disorder where it's rainy, I am so unfocused. I'm so like not able to stay focused. I might forget to take my makeup off from the night before. It's never a lot. It's my foundation, whatever. So this is my cleanser, and I will use it in the morning. My bottom line is I got up out of bed today. I'm not worried about if I took my makeup off. The bar is set at a very comfortable low space for myself. In my makeup kit, I keep a little jar of a moisturizer from Clinique. So this will stay with me. So I always have a moisturizer with me. So this might be all I use for the day. That's all I'm going to have in my kit is this moisturizer. Maybe I cleansed before I got in the car. Maybe I didn't, but this is where I'm going to start. And we'll just act like I'm in my car doing the least amount. The other thing I keep with me, this stays in my purse, are these Lumify eye drops. When I put these on or in my eyes, they like feel like it makes me kind of come back to life. So I love these things. The next thing I'm going to have is a little bit of foundation, and I'm probably going to use this as concealer. And once I've moisturized and I put this on, this kind of is really like a beautiful process for me. Like there's something about putting this on that actually the texture of it, the way it feels on my skin is part of why I like to have this product with me. It's not about covering, it's not about whatever. And again, this is if I'm in the mood to do anything at all. It's like I put a little bit of a layer of something on just to kind of reflect light, even out my skin just a little bit. And that's it. I'm using Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I have the color Caramel, and I have the color Soft Brown. They're really similar. I decided to buy two because when I was out of the one, I was out for so long and I was not getting to the store quick enough. So I'm like, I'm just going to have two on me. They're so light, it doesn't matter. So I keep them with me. If I lose one, I've got a backup, which is great for somebody that half the time can't find stuff. When I worked behind the cosmetic counter, I would have my customers look in the mirror, and then, well, I would do one brow and then I would have them look in the mirror, and it was such a game changer. Again, this is all about if I'm feeling like it. I'm not opposed to going in places without anything, but if I want to do something and I want to keep it simple, this is actually more important than the foundation because it frames your face. I do also, I keep this mirror with me in the car. It's a magnifying mirror because you know, you can't really see what's going on if you use your car mirror. Um, so I always like to have a magnifying mirror. So there you go. It's a game changer, the brows. Okay. So then we'll just finish it up. And again, I'm doing it quick and just to show you my process for doing makeup when I don't really feel like it. I don't know if you all have depression or experience it on a frequent basis or not frequent, but for me it's pretty much my live-in roommate. I take medication. I have for years, and I know that it helps. I'm gonna do just a little bit of brow gel because my brow hairs are gray, and this definitely helps. I'm really light-handed with this. The other day I wasn't, and it really comes off very dark, and so I'm just like, you know, I'm just doing the minimum just to make it look better than it did when I started. And that is the Anastasia brow gel, and it is soft brown. She's got all the brow products that I think are good. I love this lash curler from Surat Beauty. I do try to curl them, and I'll have to tell you, this lash curler is so great. I never pinch my lashes like I used to. This is amazing. Like, I think before having the other lash curler, I'm like, but this is so easy. I don't mind it now. I think it does a great job. And again, stop here. This is good enough. At least they're curled, right? But if we want to go on, I'm using a YSL sample I got called Lash Clash. It's actually kind of nice. That's all I need is to buy a YSL mascara. That's probably $50, but I'm not going to really do a bang up job and squiggle it at the root. I am just going to give myself a little something. I just noticed my gray. This is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go a little bit like this, and I probably need some Q-tips to make sure it's not on my forehead too much, but okay, let's just, yeah, I need to clean up some stuff here. So I'm gonna get this Wow brow powder that I saw that might be better than this spray, but anyway, the spray works. So now I kind of feel like, okay, I'm among the living. This is my fun Trish McAvoy cosmetic bag. It's so cute. It's a blue patent leather bag that I thrifted. And you know, they have this system, and you buy the system, and it's in here like a little binder. Anyway, it came like this, and this is how I use it. So let's put my products in there, and you'll see what we carry. So this will get you through if you just need to do something, and it's your minimal thing. So you've got your moisturizer, got these samples of a moisturizer. So any kind of moisturizer sample you have, whether it's a serum, a moisturizer, eye cream, I'll carry this a lot of the time with me. It's Clarins Beauty Flash Bomb. This thing is amazing. I'll use it as my moisturizer, but you can use it as a mask, a bit of a moisturizer if you're in a pinch, or a refreshing your makeup midday and bringing it back to life. So I do carry this with me. If you have a product like this that can be used over makeup, or just anything you want to use for a moisturizer. Lumify eye drops. I actually keep those in my purse because those feel great, and I always want it on me, but we'll stick them in here. Then I have my my brow pencils there. I have my brow gel. I have my Juice Beauty Stem Cellular CC Cream, which I'm going to do a video on this product. I really like it. Here is my lash curler and mascara. So when I get the brow gel in there and it's clopped up, I have a clean spoolie to blend it in. Or you can use the back of these pencils, of course, because they come with it. But those are nice to have. And I always carry Q-tips. So I'm probably out of focus here. This is what I've got. And I do keep these little scissors for stray hairs. So that's it. This is my bag. It's my minimal makeup that will get me through the depression days or when I cannot be bothered, but I might need something. Now, the last thing is that we didn't talk about, which is my favorite product, are lipsticks. So, this is my purse that I'm currently carrying for summer. And in it are lipsticks, a bunch of lip glosses, lipsticks. So it is so great. I've got my lipsticks, whatever I want to wear is right in here. So I can pick. I will always put a lipstick on. That is just like my feel-good thing that I do for myself when I walk out the door. Having something on my lips is just the best for me. This is actually Rare Beauty, and the color is something apricot. Love it. So that's it. You know, I do feel a bit more put together and I guess kind of empowered when I do put a little bit of makeup on and I'm going out, but by no means do I put pressure on myself about looking a certain way, especially when I don't want to. I feel it's really important to honor myself and keep it easy and simple. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to do some more things like this, and please, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. And yeah, if you all would subscribe and like and let me know if you have a minimal makeup bag or what's in your to-go makeup bag. I would love to know. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.